Delicious air fryer BBQ pork char siu recipe, a flavorful twist on a classic dish. Hello, welcome to Hometown Food Cooking Series episode 7, introducing a sizzling sensation to tantalize your taste bud. Join me on a culinary adventure as we delve into the world of air fryer BBQ char siu pork in Cantonese, featuring an easy hack that will elevate your cooking game. Get ready to unlock the secrets of mouth-watering flavor and crispy perfection with every bite. Let's fire up those air fryers and embark on a journey of culinary delight using air fryer. Happy Chinese New Year for those who celebrate that Chinese New Year, Year of Dragon. Let's get cooking. I'm going to show you how to make delicious air fryer BBQ pork char siu using Lee Gum Ghee sauce, and we will be using a convenient Ziploc bag method for marinating the pork. This is extremely convenient and easy method, and obviously less mess after the marinating. First, let's use 3 tablespoons Lee Gum Ghee Char Siu sauce. You can buy this sauce easily at any big Coles or Woolworths supermarket or any Asian store. Next ingredient is 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. If you can't find the garlic powder, you can substitute with 1 clove of minced garlic. Next, 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Next ingredient is Lee Gum Ghee oyster sauce, around 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Next up is 1 tablespoon of pure honey. Next ingredient is 1 tablespoon of light soya sauce. After completing all the sauces in Ziploc bag, now put it aside. Let's move on to marinate directly into the pork loin. We will be using 1 tablespoon Chinese ShaoXing wine. Next step is optional. If you do not like Chinese fried spice powder, you can omit this ingredient. I am using a 1/4 teaspoon of Chinese fried spice powder. Using your fingertips to rub the powder across the pork loin. Oops, I totally forgot about my sesame oil. We are using 1 teaspoon of sesame oil and include into our Ziploc bag. Now add the pork loin to the marinade, ensuring each piece is well coated. Seal it tightly and massage the marinade into the meat until it's well coated every single corner. While I'm doing these marinations, let me just explain a little bit further on what char siu means. Char siu is known as Chinese BBQ pork. It's a popular Cantonese dish that features tender, flavorful pork marinated in sweet and savory sauce, then roasted or barbecued to perfection. In Malaysia Chinese, we tend to really eat a lot of BBQ and crispy pork belly with the rice. We love for its tender texture, caramelized exterior, and irresistible combination of sweet and savory flavors. It's a perfect match for any noodles, rice, or even buns. Alright, let's go back to our BBQ pork. Now, we can place the bag in the refrigerator and let the pork marinate for at least 2 hours, or obviously ideally overnight for maximum flavor. The next day, take the marinated pork out and thaw it before we cook in the air fryer. Preheat our air fryer to 200 Celsius for around 5 to 10 minutes. At the same time, grab an aluminium foil and fold it to shapes to fit into our air fryer basket. Quite similar to my air fryer crispy pork method. You can click on the link below or description to check out my air fryer crispy pork belly videos. Once your air fryer heated, place our aluminium foil into the air fryer basket. Place the marinated pork in a single layer in the air fryer basket, ensuring they are not overcrowded to allow proper air circulation. Brush some of the marinated sauce onto the pork. Air fry at 200 Celsius degrees for around 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, flip over the pork to the other side by brushing some marinade sauce and garlic oil. Close the air fryer basket and bake at 200 Celsius for another 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, flip over again the pork, brush over the marinated sauce on top of the pork, and the color looks more appealing. Now let's add on the honey and brush over it. Close the air fryer and bake for another 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, you can see our BBQ Char Siu pork is more glazed and charred, but not really too charred yet, so I would like a little bit more char, so you can keep doing the air fry for another 3 minutes each side by flipping over. Brush again the honey marinade sauce on top of the pork until the char that you would like to achieve the level. I'm using total of 22 minutes of cooking time for my Char Siu pork. If you're asking me, one thing that I can improve further for the next time is for the last 3 minutes in the air fryer, I will recommend you to take out your aluminium foil if you would like to achieve a crispy, crunchy pork at the outer layer. You can remove that for the last 3 minutes. You must be wondering, how can I know that this is really fully cooked? You can use your food thermometer to measure the internal temperature for this meat, where achieves 63 Celsius, or you can see the juice running clear. Once cooked, remove the pork from the air fryer and let it rest for a few minutes, and slice the pork into a bite-sized pieces. And there you go. This is our air fryer BBQ hassle-free, easy-free Char Siu pork made at home. Our Char Siu is now ready to be enjoyed. It's juicy, flavorful, and oh so tender, thanks to the Lee Kim Ki Char Siu sauce and all sorts of sauces. By the way, this post is not sponsored paid by Lee Kim Ki. We hope you give this recipe a try, and if you like it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave the comments below. Impress your friends and family with this delightful BBQ air fryer dish and make it your go-to recipe for any occasion like Chinese New Year today. Enjoy the irresistible flavors and get ready for a burst of happiness in every bite. This is one of the dishes that I miss so much back in Malaysia, and now I'm recreating this at home in Sydney. I hope you can do it too. If you like more authentic flavor, maybe you can use a half-fat, half-lean meat, while I'm using the full lean meat Char Siu pork. It is also so convenient to pack over the lunchbox for pinning.
Wow, nah.
this lunchbox? We are picnic today in Kissing Point. Wow.
There's a ferry
Hope you enjoy cooking up a storm with us today. Then you are in for a treat. We got a whole treasure trove of mouth-watering home-cooked recipes waiting for you. Yes, that's right. Simply click on the link in the description below to unlock a world of culinary delights. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more easy and delicious recipes. See you next week for the new recipes. Goodbye.